In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable voice chat in Microsoft Copilot. By the end, you'll be speaking to Copilot hands-free, and it'll respond to you just like a conversation. This is perfect if you prefer talking instead of typing, or if you're multitasking and want quick, spoken answers. First, open Microsoft Copilot. You can do this in your web browser or in the Copilot app, depending on what you're using. Once Copilot is open, make sure you're on the main chat screen where you normally type your questions. If you have a working microphone connected to your device, you're already set for the next part. As soon as Copilot needs to listen for your voice, you'll see a prompt asking for microphone access. When that pops up, click Allow. This permission is what lets Copilot hear your question through your device's microphone. It's a standard system prompt from your browser or operating system, and it only activates the mic when you choose to use voice chat. If you're privacy conscious, remember you're simply granting permission so Copilot can hear you while you're using the voice feature. Quick note while we're here. If you prefer the app experience, there's a download link at the top of the description. And if you want to use Copilot in your browser, I've also placed the website link right at the top of the description so you can jump in immediately. Next, turn on voice chat. Look for the microphone icon in the chat box. Click it once, and you'll see a visual cue that Copilot is listening, often a pulsing indicator or a prompt that says you can start speaking. Now, just talk naturally. Ask your question the same way you type it, and keep your voice at a normal volume. When you finish your sentence, pause for a moment so Copilot can process what you said and respond. If you don't hear anything right away, give it a second. Responses may take a moment depending on your connection. That's all there is to it. Voice chat is now enabled in Microsoft Copilot. You can toggle the microphone on whenever you want to speak and go back to typing at any time. For the best results, try to reduce background noise and face your microphone. If something doesn't seem to pick up correctly, speaking a bit more clearly usually does the trick. Thanks for watching.